Igbo, Etche Igbo, Ndoni is Igbo, Ndoki is Igbo, Ekpeye is Igbo, Ogba is Igbo. We know that's what we call them. So if you and them, they say they are not Igbo, it's you and them business. It's Igbo we call them. Ayanabiri. Now you so manabiri now. That's what you call them. So it's between you and them. Whatever.
Asari Dokubo said that all the Igbo-speaking regions in Rivers State are Igbo people. He said that Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ekpeye people are Igbo people. Ogba people are Igbo people. Etche people are Igbo people. Ndoni people are Igbo people. Opobo people are Igbo people. And so on. He said that if the Igbos in Rivers State tell you that they are not Igbo people, that is between you and them. That word strong. It does say, if you go a person, they tell you, say, he not be Igbo person. Say that one are between two of una. That statement means that they, Calabari people, sees the whole Bia-speaking people in Rivers State as Igbo people, whether they like it or not. When we tell those our Igbo brothers that are saying that they are not Igbo people, that the world sees them as Igbo, that other ethnic nationalities in Nigeria sees them as Igbo, they go to say we dey lie. Ija people sees Ikwerre people as Igbo people. If Ikwerre people like me, they don't say we not be Igbo people, they talk rubbish. Ija people sees them as Igbo people. Ikwerre people are just saying that they are from Benin, deceiving themselves. Mention the Benin name of your ancestor. They go start to mention Igbo name. They tell you say the name of their ancestor is Akalaka. The name of their ancestor is Ochichi. Is that a Benin name? No. It shows that those Ikwerre people that are claiming Benin origin, they don't know where their father came from. Obulife Jobonwa is so shameful. Some Ekpeye elders will tell you that Akalaka, the name of their ancestor, does not mean destiny. That their own Akalaka is called Akakalaka. Is Akakalaka a Benin name? No. So, how can you be saying that Akakalaka migrated from Benin to his present location and fathered you people? Why are you people not calling him Akakalaka? Why are Ogba people not calling him Akakalaka? Why are Ikwerre people not calling him Akakalaka? You people don't know your history. No be say una don't know say Akalaka mean destiny. But you people just want to stay separate from Igbo all over the world. Make una they identify as a separate ethnic nationality. You just want to stand alone. That red Benin history book, they did not document any history of a person called Akalaka and Ochichi. Ikwerre people just made all those things up, saying that their ancestors are Benin people. Asari Dokubo in a video said that Ikwerre people are not Benin people. Asari Dokubo thought say, when you call Ikwerre people Igbo, they will be telling you that they are not Igbo, that they are Benin people. Asari Dokubo said, what is Benin about Ikwerre? Say, Ikwerre people not be Benin people. Say, they be Igbo people. He said that the ancestors of Ikwerre people are Igbo people, not Benin. Asari Dokubo then they talk am. Even if Asari Dokubo, they mumu himself online sometimes, they talk nonsense, like, even as he hates Ndi Igbo. If you see any Igbo group wey get Igbo origin, Asari Dokubo go tell you say, these Igbo people are of Igbo origin. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ogba people are Igbo people. Ekpeye people are Igbo people. Asari Dokubo knows history. The guy na historian him be. I'm not saying this because he said that Ikwerre people are Igbo people. When it comes to history, Asari Dokubo they talk facts. The same way some Yoruba people are saying, there are no Igbos in Delta states. But during the Biafra war, Ukwane people, I know they talk of Ndibo for southeast, Ukwane people for Ukwane here, Ukwane and Urobode for boundary. During the Biafra war, Ukwane people will run enter Urobo land for safety. Urobo people, they kill them. They call them Igbo people. Even as Ukwane people, they speak, Ukwane they tell them, say, Biko bebu na nyo, sani buwene, biko ni. Na lie. Urobo people were killing them. Our fathers for Ukwane land, they tell us all these stories. Ukwane people that ran into Isoko land, Isoko people killed them. I not thought say Igbo people for southeast run enter Uroba and Isoko land. And they thought say Ukwane people, the closest neighbors to Uroba and Isoko run enter Uroba and Isoko land. Uroba and Isoko people, they kill them. They call them Igbo people. That time, Okwane people, they greet Migwo, they see they greet Ajay and Otofe. But after that Biafra war, they come to say, no. Say we and this Uroba, this Soko people not be the same people. Say why we go to greet Migwo with them. Even as we they greet Migwo with them, during Biafra war, they betray us. Say we and they not be one people, they come stop to they greet Migwo, come they greet only Ajay and Otofe. Now, because some of them don't want we Okwane people to embrace our Igbo identity, because they don't want to hear that they are indigenous Igbo people in Delta State, you go see some of them, they post for Twitter, they talk say there are no Igbos in Delta State. But when Ifeanyi Okowa became the governor of Delta State, so many Yoruba people were saying, Igbo man, don't become governor of Delta State. Some people will say, hey, you are preaching hate, blah, blah, blah. I blame them. People will not know what they talk. Why they not go to see they preach it? When people don't know what you are saying, they will start speaking against it. Go and verify. Go ask our elders what they say, why they talk, whether not lie. Benin people will be telling you, Okwane people are children, they are our descendants. Okwane people that ran into Benin land for safety during the Biafra war. Benin people were killing them, calling them Ogba. During the Biafra war, Ibanke people that ran into Benin land for safety, Benin people were killing them, calling them Ogba. Today, those same Benin people are saying that Ibanke people are Benin people, that Ibanke people are their children. Why you can't be say those your children run into your land for safety during the Biafra war, you Benin people were killing them, slaughtering them, calling them Ogba. Those are our neighbors that are telling you that Anyama is not Igbo, Ikwerre, Ogba, Ekpeye, and many others are not Igbos. They are only saying it so that Igbo nation will be divided, so that the population of Igbo nation will reduce, so that they will say that there are no Igbos in Delta State, there are no Igbos in River States. They just want to make sure that Igbo are only located in the 5 southeast states. They are saying this because they want to shrink the size of Igbo. They want to shrink the population of Igbo. They want to shrink the landmass of Igbo. They know that unity is the strength of Igbo. They want to make sure that they break that unity. They scatter that unity. They want to make sure that they separate we and Yama people from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. They want to make sure that they separate the indigenous Igbos in the south away from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. That is their agenda. That is what they are benefiting. All those Yarema people in the state say Anyama people are not Igbo people. They want to make sure that they shrink the population of Igbo to nothing. The population of the indigenous Igbos in the south is at least 10 million people. Igbo people indigenous in the south alone, and Yoma people, the indigenous Igbos in River State, the indigenous Igbos in Edo State, the indigenous Igbos in Bayelsa State, the indigenous Igbos in Akwa Ibom State, the indigenous Igbos in Cross River State, their population is at least 10 million Igbos. No tribe and ethnic nationality for South where their population reach 10 million. Igbo is the biggest ethnic nationality in the South. The indigenous Igbos in the South now them be the biggest ethnic nationality for South. The population of we Igbos in the South is bigger than the population of Ibibio people. It's bigger than the population of Ijaw people, and so on. So the enemies of Igbo want to make sure that the 10 million Igbos in the South don't embrace their Igbo identity. You know what TB say? 10 million of your kind talk say they're not a part of you. This is why I'm saying that all those Igbo people that say, all those Igbo where they South, maybe they go now, they talk to them Igbo, more leader, maybe they go now. If you know the population of these people that you are pushing away, saying that they should go, no be person go tell you say support Igbo unification. We Igbos, we no go allow our own spoil. Our enemies are uniting themselves. We Igbos must unite. When we say Igbo must unite, Igbo must unite. We must unite. Our neighbors knows that we, the indigenous Igbos in the South, are Igbo people. Yareba people will tell you that Anyama people are not Igbo people. They are still the ones that will be telling you that the 1966 coup is an Igbo coup. When you tell them, but Kaduna Zogo, the leader of the coup, he is from Anyama land. He's not an Igbo person. Kaduna Zogo is not an Igbo person. Anyama people are not Igbo people. Yoruba people will tell you that it's a lie that Anyama people are Igbo people. That Kaduna Zogo is Igbo. That he's from Anyama. That Anyama is Igbo. People will tell you say Anyama not be Igbo. When it comes to Biafra war, they will tell you say na Igbo. When there is peace all over Nigeria, Yoruba people will tell you that Anyama people are not Igbo people. But when there is an issue against Igbo, when you start talking about the 1966 coup, they will tell you that Anyama people are Igbo people. This is to tell you how evil that so many Yoruba people are. Anything unity not they sweet them. Now why they create cultism, take cultism, they divide youths. Some Okwane Eka Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ikwerre, Ekpeye, Ndoni, Etche, and many others will be saying that they are not Igbo people. Orobo people go just they look them, they talk Simomo people. Simomo people. Fools. Yoruba people go talk say Simomo people, Simomo people. Ah, that is not our business. Our own is to make sure that Igbo don't unite. That is Yoruba people for you. Benin people own now as the indigenous Igbos in the south side, they thought they not be Igbo people. They sweet them because they want to make sure that all those indigenous Igbos in the south deny their Igbo identity and be identified as Benin. Because they know that the indigenous Igbos in the south don't know their history. Okwane people don't know their history. Okwane people don't go fit tell you their history without saying, we are from Benin. What were you in Benin Kingdom before you left Benin Kingdom? That is the most important question that so many of them don't want to answer. If you ask them, which language do they speak for Benin Kingdom those days, they go tell you say Okwane that they speak. Is Okwane language and Benin language the same? No. So, why are you people saying that you are Benin people? They will start to look you. What were you in Benin Kingdom before you left that place to your present location? Okwane people, many of them don't know their history. Now whether they claim say that be Benin people, they be Benin people. During Biafra war, you enter Benin, the same Benin people kill you. You don't know yourself. The Constitution of Nigeria recognizes we Anyama people as Igbo people. They recognize every Bia speaking people in Rivers State as Igbo people. Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. 13, not just 5 states. 13. Some people will tell you, Igbo, go with your 5 states. Make what going happen to other Igbo people where they outside the southeast. The population of Igbo in the south is at least 10 million Igbos. The ones where they indigenous for south where they talk. 10 million in population. This is for us to know that these people knows that the strength of Igbo nation is unity. That is why they are destroying it. They want to make sure that they destroy the power and strength of Igbo, which is unity, but they will fail because the Igbo unification movement is here to set the record straight. Ikwerre people are not in shame. Asari Dokubo and they tell us na be Igbo people. Even with different things where una don't do, una don't insult our Igbo brothers for southeast, they talk different kind of thing. So many Ikwerre people are from Isoma. Ikwerre people call Igbo Isoma. So many Ikwerre people, their ancestry is that Iswama in Imo State. According to elders from Ogba Kingdom, they said that Akalaka, their ancestor, came from Abo in Okwane land. Say now from Abo, Akalaka from enter that river state, come found Ogba, Ekpeye, and some part of Ikwerre. And he had a brother called Etche. Some people in Ogba Kingdom, they trace their ancestry to Abo in Okwane land. They go tell you, say, see where we migrate from Abo. That is where Akalaka came from. Instead, they go tell you, say, Akalaka is a Benin man. People that don't know where they came from. What is the meaning of Akalaka? Ikwerre people are saying that Akalaka means precious cup. We ask Benin people, what is the meaning of Akalaka? Benin people said that there is no word in Benin Kingdom called Akalaka. We ask Benin people, what do you people call precious cup? Benin people said that what they call precious cup is Ukpunoga and not Akalaka. So, Ikwerre people, where una from here say Akalaka means precious cup, una not get shame, shameless people. You don't have shame. No meaning where Ikwerre people never give that name Akalaka just to prove say Akalaka not be Igbo. Akalaka mean this thing, it mean that one, it mean this thing, it mean that one, it not mean destiny. Ogba people, Ekpeye people, and Ikwerre people go tell you say Akalaka means precious cup in Benin language. We don't ask Benin people make una tell us the meaning of precious cup for una language. Oh. Benin people talk say what they call precious cup in Benin language is Okpunoga and not Akalaka. They say that Akalaka has no meaning in Benin language because you don't want to embrace your Igbo identity. You started forcing an alien identity on yourself and your people. So many Ikwerre historians have wrote different history concerning Akalaka, concerning Ikwerre people, saying that Ikwerre people migrated from Benin Kingdom. Enslaving yourselves to the Oba of Benin, and by saying that Ikwerre is from Benin, you people are saying that all the kings in Ikwerre land are chiefs. Because some of these Ikwerre people, they go just they talk something, they're not a reason with their brain. You don't even know about Benin Kingdom that you are imposing on yourself. If Ikwerre people are from Benin, then all the kings in Ikwerre land are chiefs. Common chiefs. You know, as people take title, chief from this place, chief from that place. That is what Ikwerre kings are if they are saying that they are Benin people. Igbanke kings 9, the Oba Benin thought say Igbanke kings not be kings, say na chiefs they be. That same insult about Benin, they give Igbanke kings. Now waiting Oba of Benin go start to dey give Ikwerre kings. When una don mumu una self to the extent where be say una king not go dey bear eze again for Ikwerre land. Nah, and no give una go start to dey bear. Ikwerre kings that are claiming Benin origin, you people should change your titles to Enoge. Enoge means chief, duke that is controlling his community on behalf of the Oba of Benin. Ikwerre kings, una go begin go Benin Kingdom, make una dey bow down to the Oba of Benin, just like other Enoge for Benin Kingdom they do. You people should go to Benin Kingdom and be bowing to the Oba. Change your titles to Enoge. Igbanke wey there, those states they won't run come out from Edo State. Una dey River State, they enslave una self. They call una self Benin people. You don't know that the word Benin people just means slave people. According to Benin history, the Oba of Benin is the only freeborn there. The Oba of Benin sees Benin people as slaves. If they see those Benin people in their control as slaves. The Oba of Benin rules with immense power. And he calls his people, no matter their position, he calls them his slaves. That is why you will see Benin people calling themselves Ovioba. Ovioba. Ovioba means Oba slave. That is what Benin people are calling themselves. This is what I thought so now from Benin history. This is Benin history. If you call yourself a Benin person, you are calling yourself a slave to the Oba of Benin. But some people don't know. All this history what they talk now, all these facts what they talk, it dey pain so many people for body because we dey spill facts where they don't want to make people hear. If 100 Okwane people watch our video, know how, 10 go understand what we dey talk, then they go stop to the claim Benin origin. They go start to the day proud of their Igbo identity. That is why we are expected to make sure that we are here educating our people. They talk to them. Make them know where they belong. Igbanke people, they escape slavery. You dey River State. They pour slavery on yourself. They call yourself slave. They call yourself Benin person. You open your mouth, they talk say the kings in Ikwerre land are chiefs under the Oba of Benin. You don't know that by claiming that you are of Benin origin, that your kings in your community are chiefs and not kings. Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbos because of greed. Greed. Okwa people go say that be Igbo people. Greed. Yet Okwa the land not they succeed. For more than 20 years, Okwa did not get lights. All the time for social media, they talk kind of people they do like, we not get light to, we not get light to. Southeast don't leave una behind. See as the whole world they hear of Igbo. How many people they hear of Ukwani all around the world? People wey no get light for more than 20 years. They not fit build their place. Get a Anambra State and join the Southeast. They say we not be Igbo people. Leave us in the South, leave us in Delta State. People wey don't know favor. When are we going to see a senator that will agitate for we Anambra people to have our own states? When are we going to actualize Anambra State through the South? They're not the reason all those ones. All they know is we are not Igbo people. All they know is we don't have light for more than 20 years. Ukwane people come live to complain. Complain. This government go come. Ukwane go complain. This government go come. Ukwane go complain. Grow your Ukwane land. They don't fit grow their land. Accept the slots our Igbo brothers for Southeast give us. Make we join them. Make we get our own states. Make we start to the function as a state on its own. They say no. They one day for South may suffer kill them. If you, an Igbo person from the South, keep saying that you are not an Igbo person, you are only deceiving yourselves. You cannot deceive the non-Igbos that are your neighbors. You cannot deceive Yoruba people. You cannot deceive Hausa and Fulani people. You cannot deceive Ijaw people. You cannot deceive Calabar people. You cannot deceive Calabari people. If you are Igbo, you are Igbo. And there is no amount of denial that can change it. Ikwerre.